Hey guys, what up? It's your brothers, Big Boy Creeper Kid and Mikey Cinema. Today we're going to show you how to make a mob grinder. Now this mob grinder will take a lot of materials depending on which block you use for it. For this we're going to use light blue concrete. Now, you guys ready?
Ready?
Alright, so for what you need is any kind of block you want, doesn't matter which kind it is. You also need a big area to build it. This should be good. You also need hopper, monster spawners, and stained glass. Doesn't matter what kind of glass you use, we're just going to use our favorite colors for now. Now, what you want to do is make a square. Doesn't matter how big you do it. For the sake of this video, we're going to make it a 5x5. Well, more like a 4x4 hole. Okay. It's going to look kind of like a pipe right now. Now, what you want to do is dig. Now, after that, if it's in the snow area, make sure you get rid of the top snow. Okay, now what you want to do... Oh, shoot, I messed it up. Now, what you want to do is actually dig one block underneath the ground for the actual part of the grinder. Wait, what the? These are top so you can actually fall. No, what we're gonna do is set up 2 hoppers here after I get a chest. Forgot that you will need a chest for this. Alright, let's see. Chest. Okay, let's just go and place these down. And then boom. Now we are gonna need some hoppers. Right here. Make sure you make it to where all the hoppers connect to the ones that are connected to the chest. Alright. This is practically the easy bit of it. Now time for the time-consuming bit. Okay, so where are my brothers? Creeper Cave, Cinema, where are you? Where are you two? Hurry! Oh my god, I can't believe I have to do this during a video.
Oi.
Hello? So, you like blue clay? I mean concrete?
Nope.
Oh, Creeper Kid, you gotta be in this video, man!
Do you even know where I was hiding?
No? Why, you want to show us first?
Yes.
And fine, come on.
Yeah, if I can find it.
Fine. Oh!
There it is. Where?
You found it? I gotta teleport myself to you.
Oh, teleport me in too. Is this it?
Holy fart! But, dude! We were straight away from it.
Where are you? I'm like seriously.
There it is.
This is where I was.
Better. Okay, let's go back over here.
No, I wanna hide again.
Is there? Oh my god, it snowed. I think it snowed. There's no snow. There's no snow on yours?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's weird. Alright. So now let's start building. Now what you want to do is build it at least 13 blocks or higher. 13 blocks because, well, that's how big, that's how high a mob or player can fall in Minecraft and die at that height. No.
So what do you want me to do?
Okay, what we're gonna do now is build up to 13. So right now we got 2 blocks, so it's kind of 11 blocks now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 11.
So do I stack them right here?
Yes, just pick any side, any wall, and start stacking them. Now we are gonna check this just to be sure. We never know if this really is the height. It is because I made the video a long time ago, and Minecraft probably changed how high you can be before you die. I'm just gonna get the walls all done just to be sure. Hey, Wacky Cinema.
What?
What's your favorite mob to kill in this game?
Villagers.
So we're gonna test it with villagers. Okay, so get the villager spawners, the villager spawn,
yeah.
and you're gonna place them down.
Today.
So what you're gonna do is you're not going to whack them at all, okay? What you're gonna do is spawn one on a block, then push it in to where the hopper is. I said don't whack it. Spawn another one and push it in. Okay. Spawn one on the wall and push it in.
Okay. If I can.
Now push it in. Okay, so it has to be bigger. So like expand them by expand by 3 blocks. Excuse me.
Anytime I'll just do this.
Okay, this is 3 blocks. Creeper Kid, why aren't you helping?
I'm just getting rid of some stuff in the water.
My God, hurry up, please.
I almost got whatever.
Okay, now spawn another villager and this time and push it in again. And let's see if it dies this time.
What the fuck, like Mark?
Still not, my God.
Now I can do this.
So it should be 16 blocks high. Make sure your mob grinder is 16 blocks high.
What happens if it's not? What happens?
Then we're just gonna have to make it bigger, Wacky Cinema. Finally you're helping! Okay, spawn another one, Wacky Cinema, and push it in. Oh my God! How is 16 blocks not high enough?
Let me kill someone. I'm gonna kill someone.
Okay, fine. 19 blocks. 19 blocks. This has to do it. This has to fucking do it. If it's not gonna do it, I'm gonna go blow myself up with TNT. And I won't be creative, I'll be survival. Okay, please. Please die, villager. Please fall and die.
I'll be ready.
Oh no!
My God! What the suck? Ow! Can a villager survive this? You know what? Fight it! No more test dummy villagers. I'm gonna be the test dummy this time.
Actually, I'm gonna go to my secret bunker.
So now I can do this.
Jump in! I don't care! Ah, fuck did I? What? The suck!
I'm going to my secret bunker.
Ow. Ow. How the suck was that possible? What the? What are you doing? Don't tell me they're gonna blow up villagers. How? Well, lesson learned. Grinders do not work on villagers. Now we got that out of the way.
And because of the villagers not dying in the grinders, I'm just gonna do this. Eat his eggs. Eat his eggs. How do you throw the eggs? Eat his eggs. Eat his eggs.
How is this going? What?
Eat his eggs.
I'm gonna have to wait a while to get my stuff back.
These villagers aren't dying. So I'm just gonna do this.
Can you guys help me? I'm stuck in my secret bunker.
Again?
No, I got away. Get out. Don't.
We're not dying in the mob grinder, suckers!
What are you gonna do?
I'm killing all the villagers that I put in this pit.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a back door.
Sorry I reached out, guys.
And also, for wearing headphones, he's sorry for that.
Yeah. But this proves my mob grinder does work, right?
Yes, it does.
Now just to do one last thing. Make it look like a pipe from Mario. Cause why the fart not?
Oh, look, there's a baby Squidward in here.
Baby Squidward?
I killed the baby Squidward.
I know, you call villagers Squidwards. Darn it, I broke my grinder. There, made it look like a pipe from Mario. And one thing. Hashtag Mario's the best. Hashtag Mario. Best game ever.
Hey, you guys want to see my secret bunker?
We'll see it after we're done with the grinder. You know, place the mob spawners a sufficient amount of blocks down, like about
It's to me, I'm Mario.
4 blocks down.
Holy ball!
No. There.
It's to me, I'm Mario. I'm about to jump in the hole.
Okay, so what mob should you put in this grinder?
I got it.
Chickens?
No, they won't die.
How are they?
This is a fall damage grinder. Ah, wait.
Oh, I know.
No, I'm just gonna do this.
No, I got this. I know.
I know.
No, me. Do me. Pick me.
I picked already.
No.
Look what I picked.
What the fuck did you pick? How did I fall?
Now, time for the one final piece. Stomp it, Wacky Cinema! Okay, guys, place your should be green, blue, red, green, blue, red, green, blue, red. That's supposed to be red. Then blue, then green, then red.
Where I put red?
Right in the space between that green. Okay, now over here between this green and this blue.
Right here by the green. I only do it by green.
This one right here. Oh, that's perfect. Wait a minute. Oh, that one right there. Over here. Right there. Okay.
Don't you see something wrong about the mob spawn?
No. Don't. Yeah, you're gonna be right here. You want to whack the pigs off.
Oh no!
Why'd you throw those in?
I know eggs.
Now let's see.
There's something wrong about this one.
What?
About this one.
Wait. What the fuck did you do? You changed it from a piggy to a whatever that was. A Vixenator.
Come on, come see my
Alright, get out of the mob grinder. Everyone get down to the floor. Get down to the floor.
Wait, I gotta kill all these chickies.
No.
Alright, and look. This is a good mob grinder. Or almost got a stack of pork chops in a few seconds.
I am in my secret bunker. Can you find it?
So this mob grinder works. It's very good. It takes a lot of resources, as you can tell. You might rage out if you do what I did, use villagers. Right, Wacky Cinema?
Right.
Now to finish out the video, we're gonna go see what Creeper Kid has been dying to show us. Fart walking! What the fart?
Push the
Fart
lever.
running.
See, that's how you.
I can't get in! My head's too big. What's this?
That's the way out.
Oh my god. You got a
Hey, you
chest.
sucker! Ah!
I just trapped you.
Why you sucker?
Oh, you broke it!
Savage!
You broke your base.
Did you just break my base?
Oh yay, it's snowy! Yay!
Oh,
No,
yeah.
I'm about to punch
Now,
you
please.
in the face! Get back here, you sucker!
Please,
I'll get you a new one.
No, you can't.
please,
No,
like,
that cost me $500.
Creeper Kid, Wacky Cinema, be quiet real quick, please.
I have to slap someone for
No.
it.
Please. Fine, slap me for it.
No.
I know. Slap it! Wrong thing. Here! Slap this pea!
No, quick guys,
Nope.
get in the secret bunker. I don't like snow.
Oh yeah, my species do not. Oh, my species hate the cold.
Dude,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
not getting in my house.
Oh yeah, dragons hate can't stand the cold.
You're not allowed. Don't worry, you're not allowed. No.
Either you land or I'll spawn piggies in here.
And or Squidwards.
Okay, please like and subscribe if you want to see
I'll
more
break it through the door.
of us. Right, Wacky Cinema? So please like and subscribe for more Wacky Cinema, Creeper Kid, and Lord Lapis. So, 1, 2, 3, see ya!
See ya.
You can't get out. Goodbye.
Say goodbye to the viewers!
Goodbye, viewers.
Oh my god, she said viewer. Right, see ya next time.
Damn you!